demo of Tally Scrutiny Audit TDL. First we discuss the trial balance feature. In it will show the trial balance in detail with primary group and parent group with all opening closing balances. Next is data creditors queries. In creditors, if balance is minus, then why expense not book? If opening balance is still there, no transaction during there, so auto queries will be there, why no transaction during the year. Next, same data, why credit balance, why no transaction during the year. So this will all be the queries auto generated. Here is a top 10 data creditors report. So this is helpful for MIS reporting and all. Next, our report is high risk ledger analysis. This one is a unique report. This report will show the financial transaction done in the debtors or creditors ledgers, or also in loans and liabilities. So we can find out if there are debtors or creditors which have only financial transaction or not. So this will be very helpful in the audit. So the next is bank and loan. This is just a static report of all banks and loans. Next is write-off. Here you can change the threshold, and any amount you entered, the balance which is less than that amount will show as a query that you can write off this balance in data or creditor. Next is cash query. Cash expense more than 10,000 or cash receipt more than 2 lakh will be displayed here. So it will be the whole cash audit. Next report will be cash negative. The dates on which cash is negative will be displayed here, and while you drill down under that, you will get the dates in red, closing balances which are red, so you can find out there. Next report is MSME. This is just a static report of basic queries: why payment not done, why advances, and this is amount based aging analysis for creditors. So you can change the aging, and this report will generate according to that. Next, our report is regarding 269S and 269ST. Amount accepted, maximum outstanding, all will be auto fetch. You can drill down in that ledger and check whether this is perfectly reflecting or not.
Okay.
Yes. Next is 269T repayment. Here is also repayment and one adjustment given where journal entries or any other entries other than receipt or payment are reflected here, so you can adjust against repayment if you want. Next is month-wise expense report. This is again an analytical report. You can analyze the expenses month on month basis. Next is monthly sales and receipt report. This is also for MIS, including GST will be reflected here. The next is in detail party wise month on month basis sales and receipt report. Next is GST compliance. In debtors and creditors whose transactions more than 20 lakhs and still GST number is not in the masters, it will show as a query. Next is a depreciation chart as per income tax. In this you can enter the depreciation rate, and depreciation will be automatically reflected in this report. This is like a calculator. You can also export it in Excel. This will do not enter the depreciation entry, but it will only calculate. So next report is item maximum sales rate and minimum sales rate, and ratio variance of that. If that is more than 100%, it will be high risk. So if item is of also sold at 1 rupees and 300 rupees, so this will be audit observation. This is a 3CD reporting. If properly entered, it will automatically display there. Next is audit query sheet. If you go in any transaction and while going through that transaction you think that this is a query, so you can record that query or the response over there if you want, and this will be reflected as a in the query sheet. Next is a partner remuneration calculator. This is just a calculator for quick reference how much maximum remuneration is allowable and TDS against that. And the main report, the first one is all voucher entries. This will do the post all the entries of your tally in one place in columnar format. So you can export it in Excel in tabular format, and based on pivot you can do many things. And we have made an add-on in Excel for the pro reporting. So this is now this is the pro version of Excel add-in. Here you have to paste the voucher data and trial balance data. After pasting the voucher data, you just have to click the clean tally data, so it will clean up the data. Next, after pasting the trial balance, you have to click on the trial balance, so it will clean the trial balance. After that, the functions will work easily. First function is trial balance ledger scrutiny for TDS matching. So it will generate two sheets. In one, TDS as per book, you have to select the TDS payable ledgers in that. And in second sheet, like you do the ledger scrutiny, you have to select the primary group of expenses what you want to check. Like here I have selected direct expense, and under that affluent treatment. So here 194C is applicable, so I will select the 194C, and it will calculate as per the calculation and as per books, and it will show the difference if any. And while clicking the export button, it will generate my TDS 194C query sheet. So that's how this will work. The another one function is if you want to transfer 26AS TXT file into Excel format, so, and you also want to reconciliation of 26AS. So when you click on 26AS reco, it will ask for text file, and when you paste that, it will transfer it to Excel format. Here you have to select the TDS receivable ledgers for mapping the TDS receivable against the 26AS. So you will have to map TDS receivable, and here you have to map your income ledgers against which you want to reconcile the 26AS. So here we have selected sales, and then we have to click on build the reco sheet. So this will build 26AS reconciliation sheet. Here you can see that this is TDS receivable reconciliation, and on the right side it is income reconciliation. Exact name will be required to match, otherwise it will be show down here like not in books or not in 26AS. Next, our report is audit sampling. This will show the audit dashboard for all the voucher reporting, voucher types, voucher categories, etc. Here many types of samplings are available. The main is combo sampling. Here you can select a specific voucher type, like I want specific sales vouchers to be sampled. In that I want 5%, 10% criteria of value. I want different parties from every parties to be checked. I want random 10 or 15 bills to be checked. So this type of filters I can add here, and it will generate me the audit sample data. and all data will be mapped against which sample against which is selected, and it will show the percentage of value of what you are auditing. So that's how this will work. Our next report is MSME aging. Here you can select the creditors and aging as per the MSME requirement. There are five types of slabs given here, but you can also customize it as per your requirement. Next, this will generate the MSME aging in summary plus bill wise details. Even if in tally you have not entered the payment or receipt against your bill, still it will fetch the exact aging based on closing balance in LIFO method. Like closing balance is 10 lakh and last 5 bills are covering those 10 lakhs, so it will work on that functionality. So that's how this is in detail and summary aging generated. Same way in daters also you can generate the aging. We have given two options of aging, like if you only want sales bills or you want debit credit note also to be covered. So all options are given here, and same way you can generate the data aging, creditors aging, and in as per our LIFO methodology. So even if your payments or receipts are not mapped against those bills, still it will generate the aging. Here you can check that the data aging are generated, and also you can check the details of bill wise also generated. So these are the pro features in Excel. Thank you so much for taking the time to go through the demo. Thank you.